watching my video, and I request you to watch this video till the end. In this video, we will learn how to multiply any number with the series of 9 as a multiplier. We will be able to calculate much faster than the traditional method. This method in Vedic mathematics is known as Ek Nyunya Purvena, which means one less than the previous number. Vedic mathematics not only helps us to calculate in increased speed, but also accurately, and also it helps us to develop our pattern recognition skills. Pattern recognition skills have good correlation with our general intelligence. In this video, we will learn 3 cases. In case number 1, we will have the number of digits in the multiplicand same as the number of 9s in the multiplier. So here we go.
Now let's take case 1. Case 1, in this we learn to multiply any number as a multiplicand multiplied by the same number of 9s in the multiplier. Let's say, for example, we take a number 584 and let's multiply it by 999. Now this right hand side has 3 9s and left hand side also has 3 digits. So we have 3 digits on both the sides. That means the same number of digits on both the side. If such is the case, we have to do, first of all, we have to, as a step 1, in step 1, we subtract 1 from the multiplicand. Now when we do that, what do we get? We get 583. Now what will we do in step 2? Step 2, we will subtract this 5 from 9, this 8 from this 9, and this 3 from this 9. And when we do that, what do we get? When 5 subtracted from 9, we get 4. When this 8 is subtracted from 9, we get 1. When this 3 is subtracted from 9, we get 6. Now this is our second step. Final answer is, we come to the final answer, it is 583,416. Look how simple it is.
Case number 2. Here we have number of digits in the multiplicand less than the number of 9s in the multiplier.
Now let's take case 2. Case 2. In this, the condition is that the number of digits in the multiplicand are less than the number of 9s that we have as multiplier. Now let's take an example, 436 to be multiplied by 9, 9, 9 and 9. Now you can see the number of digits in the multiplier as the series of 9 are 4, but the number of digits in the multiplicand are only 3. So what we can do is, if we add 0 before this number, we make the number of digits same in the multiplier and in the multiplicand. And when we add 0, it doesn't change the value of the number at all. So we do the step number 1 minus 1 from here. We do it in the same way now as we do in case number 1. When we do subtract 1 from this number, we get 0, 4, 3 and 5. And when we subtract all these numbers from 9, when we subtract 0 from 9, and when we subtract 4 from 9, then we subtract this 3 from 9, when we subtract this 5 from 9, we get the numbers 9, 5, 6 and 4. And this is our final answer: 4, 3, 5, 9, 5, 6, 4. This is our final answer. How quickly we can do, accurately and very fast, faster than the calculator.
Case number 3. This one is a little tricky but not difficult at all. Here the number of digits in the multiplicand are more than the number of nines in the multiplier. So let's see how we do.
Now let's take case 3, and this is the final one. Case 3. This one has a little trick involved in it. Just take notice of that. Just be careful and learn it. Here in this case, we have the number of digits in the multiplicand more than the number of nines in the multiplier. So let's take an example. Suppose the first example we take is we multiply 436 with 99. Now, number of digits in the multiplier are only 2. That is, number of nines are only 2. And the number of digits in the multiplicand are more than the number of digits in the multiplier. In such a case, what we have to do is a little different from the first two cases. See, now step number 1. Here, step number 1 will be to subtract 1. This is same as in the previous cases. So we get 435. Now, we used to then subtract this number on the left hand side from the nines that we had on the right hand side. In this case, when we bring this number to subtract from 99, we place it like this. Now, subtract this from 99. We can subtract 5 from 9, we get 4. We subtract 3 from 9, we get 6. But this minus 4, what do we do with this? This minus 4 will go to the left hand side, and this will be subtracted from the left hand side. What we get after doing that is 4, 3, 1. Now we have to just combine both the sides and we get our answer, which is 4, 3, 1, 6, 4. This is our answer. Let's take one more example, and let's take a big one so that you don't find any difficulty, you develop confidence. Let's take a number, a big number. Let it be 7, 5, 8, 2, 9, 8, 5, 7 multiplied by 9, 9, 9, 9. Now this is also the case 3. What we have to do is, first of all, we have to minus 1 from this number. What we get? 7, 5, 8, 2, 9, 8, 5, 6. But if we subtract these numbers, starting from these digits, when we subtract this number 6, 5, 8, 9, only this much we can subtract from here. We get 3, 4, 1, 0. Now this is our right hand side. To get left hand side, we have to subtract this leftover number, that is this number, the leftover digits from the whole number. So when we subtract this number from here, we subtract this from here, we get 7, 5, 8, 2, 2, 2, 7, 4, and by combining this with this, 1, 0, 1, 4, 3. So our answer is 7, 5, 8, 2, 2, 2, 7, 4, 0, 1, 4, 3. This is our answer. How quickly we have done, faster than the calculator, I am sure, faster than the calculator.
Thanks for watching this video till the end. I'm sure you must have got something new to learn. Regular practice will sharpen your mind and increase your mental agility. Please share this video with others also. See you in my next one. Till then, happy learning.